day 87 of the rest of my life. 87 days ago, I quit my corporate job to pursue my passion of starting our successful clothing brand MUEL, and to show you that when you align your passions with your purpose, everything and anything is possible. Today, as you guys can see, I'm at the job today on day 87. I'm working 2 jobs again, no Julius, and I'm putting in that work so we can make sure that when our 110 shirts are ready, that we have the money and the capital available to invest into MUEL and to invest into our symbols of purpose. So I want to inform you guys instead of teaching. So today I just want to talk about the things that I've done today. I woke up at 6:30ish, had work from 7:30 to 3 at my first job, and then 3 to 11. So I am really grinding, making sure that we have everything that we need, from advertising spend to marketing dollars to money to invest into our shirt. The shirt shop is actually a couple doors down from here, very small town, strip of a bunch of restaurants and hotels, and making sure I'm down here getting that bread. So I'm struggling right now to stay awake, and I'm doing some push-ups. I've done like 300 so far, 300 push-ups, trying to stay awake. I'm out there coloring right now. Frank Sinatra playing. I didn't want to record out there because it might get copyrighted, but there's probably easier ways to make money, but I have student loans that are becoming due soon, and I want to help my mom out. I don't have a car, so that's another thing that I want to work towards, to make sure that I can travel around. So that is why I'm working so hard. Yes, I could learn a new skill. Yes, I could learn how to code or learn how to do IT, but that's not what I want to do. I know that this clothing brand is for me, and building this community is for us. So I want to make as much money as possible doing tasks that don't require as much work. I'm just sitting at the desk coloring, push-ups, and recording videos. I wish I brought my laptop to edit and send emails. I did want to tell you guys that we've been emailing the screen printer back and forth and discussing the file. So the file that I had was a PNG inside of a vector. A vector file is what you need to send over to your screen printer to make sure that it is resized correctly and it doesn't lose quality as they make it smaller or larger. So that's something that I definitely need to do when I get home at 11 a.m. or 11 p.m., right away, to make sure that they have it and they can start printing our shirts. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this with someone who is working hard but isn't working hard at the right things. Me, myself, honestly, what I'm doing right now, I'm working really hard, not at the right things. I do not suggest you guys going out, getting 2 jobs to forge your prints. I suggest you getting money from your parents, getting money from, take a loan that is not gonna have as much interest, because the time that I'm spending here is taking away so much time and energy from the business that it's almost not worth it. But there's certain situations that make this what it is. So share this with someone who is working hard but not in the right areas, and tell them to realign their focus and reclaim their time. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is day 87. Like, comment, subscribe. See you tomorrow. We are back at it here, 7 to 3 and 3 to 6 over there. The plan is we just stop talking. Feel me? I love to talk. Let's win from within today.